All right, everyone, I have a special treat for you today. This is a rechargeable light motion sensor. What does that mean? Whether you're in the garage, the bathroom, whether you're out and about, this can detect what's going on. You can even mount it to the ceiling. So let's get into it and do a little unboxing, see what's in here. So pretty simple to unbox this. No plastic, no issues. So we have a beautiful motion sensor right here. Gonna do the honor, and boom. You can see the motion sensor right here. It's not an unboxing unless you have an actual USB-C. So let's get the USB-C. Boom. Looking awesome. Here we have our tools. And we have our little remote. So that is it pretty much. And finally, last but not least, our instruction manual. We need this. We need to know what's going on with the LED. So here, we got our sensor. We got our USB-C. We got our tools. We got our remote. And we got... So here we have our motion sensor mounted to the wall. And we just go ahead and walk by and boom. Hello, hello. Now with this little remote control right here, I can do multiple things. I don't have to just have it come on. I can play around with how it's going to feature. So I can change the color. I can make it brighter. I can make it darker. So if I want a little darker, you know, maybe it's too bright, or I want it more brighter, you know, during the night, I can do that. And also play around, do a little strobe party, and also have fun with the colors. So that's it. And then you can switch it off as we need be. I'm just gonna do another walk by, and boom. Hello, hello, Mr. Sensor. So that's what I love about it. You can change the color temperature, you can change the brightness, you can change all the settings here. It's really easy to use, and on a night where I just need a little bit more light, or I just walk by, we have an amazing motion sensor right here. So you gotta check this out. I really just love all the different features, all the different things you can do, brightness, color, and everything. So this is absolutely amazing when it comes to that, and it was really easy to install either on a wall or a ceiling. I like to have it as I walk through here. So boom, it can just illuminate the hallway. Very cool. Check this out. Link in the description below. We're gonna love this. Is very, very easy to use. Motion sensor light control. Love this. Can change the colors, the brightness, adjust the temperature, the sensor control, and the remote control. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Check it out in the link below.